finalist na drama. We're gonna have more photos ba here? But what do you think that we have these two? What can you say? How are they different? Itong dalawang characters na to.
그러니까요. 혜인이는 굉장히 이제 럭셔리하고 카리스마 있는 그런 스타일을 많이 보여줬는데 에라는 이제 굉장히 후리하고 조금 이제 귀여운 룩들 많이 보여드렸었거든요.
Yes, napaka-extreme talaga, di ba? Because he was a very luxurious, parang napaka-maarting, stylish na character, while as to Era, na parang chill, relaxed, cute.
Correct. So then, having said that, which style are you gonna choose?
저는 조금 싫어할 것 같아요.
Pero parang kailangan talaga yung mga tulong ninyo.
Ay! Okay. Okay.
Era ko! Era!
Make them decide. Alright.
Kasi
Sino ang team Pain? How about team Era? Was it that time? Oh, one more. Pain!
Parehas eh! Era!
You decide.
Era, kasi simple lang siya doon.
Mas mahirap.
Parang tayo lang naman.
근데 제 앞에서 혜인이 이름을 외쳤을 때두 혼자
Bagay kasi sa personality niya si Era.
굉장히 많으셨기 때문에 오늘은 혜인이가
I think we decided this is a Hain. I saw some fans and some old fans that are really showing out their cheers for Hain. So today, I'll have to choose for Hain.
Ay, kung baga mas bida-bida yung mga hanging fans dyan. Wow! And what was the reason? Bukod dun sa fans, what was the reason why you chose her style?
사실 팬분들께서 누구만 좋으신지
Dahil ba kay ano? dahil kay Baekhyun Woo!
스타일링이라고 하면은 100벌 넘게 의상을 입었던 것 같은데 가장 많은 의상을 선보이기 때문에 오늘 1등을 하지 않았나 싶습니다.
Well, I chose Era because I wanted to support what my fans were cheering for me as well. And hindi lang na, di ba, when we talk about styling, I think it was a character na pinakamaraming klase ng outfits ang sinuot ko, almost like more than 100.
Yes, yes. Wow. Palakpakan na natin, guys. Kim Ji-won for choosing her style character.
I'm Hong Yun of Queens.
Ah!